There, let's go there. Opa. Uah. Okay, come a little bit closer. Okay, before Odin decides once again to pour on us everything that he has in the toilet, yeah, we will continue. So, unfortunately, this is it for the day. This is the way it goes. I know it always goes quickly, but maybe we'll be back in Amsterdam this summer, because of course we need to continue to nurture the relationship to the school, to Hiddenbody, and in general to you guys. For me, it's always an immense pleasure. It's really different than in a lot of other cities we've been. Not to make comparison, but just to really say what is here is really a gem. And you don't have to take it for granted, because overall, like even the places that seems the most shiny don't come close to this. Like it's really like building the close connections, building the practice together, making sure that everything is aligned, and wanting to do this path on the long term together. It's a different game, and it feels great. It feels like it feels safe. It feels experimental. It feels a place where, like a fertile soil where things can grow. This is how it feels like. It's like this seed that wants to be planted in Brazil because it knows it can grow to the crazy heights. And then to become this huge baobabs, it just takes time. And this is the only thing that we will need to allow. You know, like time for all the plants to grow properly. But then at some point I have this vision, like, where I'm thinking about meeting each other when we're old, and the gray beards, and and then we can't move anymore, and all these crazy people. But we know we went through all this crazy journey, and then together, and then you know everything that we went through. Now, like the adventures down the bridges here and down under the rain, and then at some point maybe doing the dancing and the fighting, and it's like this is what you want to have. And then when you look at each other in the eyes, and then we'll get to that point, it's like, fuck, we played the game. And this was the most important thing, because this is, Guy Debord was talking about this in the Society of Spectacle, that a lot of people are just looking around and just, entertain me with your performances, with things like with Netflix, with a movie, and then with another thing that I consume. And then here we are producing. We are always active. We are really living life from this first-person view. You know, like feeling it on the skin, getting the rain. You know, like feeling the opening the hand in the bar. You know, like facing the fears. And then this is really what makes us feel alive. It's what is creating this deeper understanding of the self. And eventually, I think at some point you can really turn back and say, I did it all. I did what I was supposed to do. Like I blossomed into the flower, and then I'm also ready to go. And then pass this fire onwards into someone else's hand that will continue to bring this on. But if we don't get to this point because we didn't blossom, then something will be missing. And I don't want to get to that point where I feel like something is like I missed out on this opportunity. The one chance, I have the ticket to this crazy ride, and then it's like, I lost the ticket. And just, I realized this is just, what? You lost the ticket? It was one ticket, and you lose it. It's the craziest ride of all. And because life is eventually something that must be experienced, and then without this experience, then it's nothing. So every time that we feel, okay, it's cold now, it's this, it's that, I have pain here, I have pain there, but this is how the dream feels. The dream feels like this, but then in the everyday, the dream is this, and then we have this idea that instead the dream feels different. It feels grandiose. It feels with this that you're covered with this opulence. You're covered with this, but then in reality, life is made of the guys upstairs flushing the toilet. Is made up of us opening the hand. Is made up of taking the rain and then being cold. And then if you practice happiness inside this mess, then it's something that comes back. and he comes back, and then everything is amazing. That's why like say, great, it's raining, great, I opened the hand. You know, it's just not because I don't want to accept other emotions. It's just everything is great as it enters. I'm sad, okay. I'm angry, okay. Just intensity is a parameter that is just it's indicating how much you're feeling life. So of course, like if you're going down into this intensity, it's permeating your existence, and then you're really into the game. So thanks for playing. Thank you for coming. It was incredible. And yes, now the ride will continue. What is that?
Flowers.
The flowers.
I wanted to say a lot, but you said it all. So a small bouquet as a token of appreciation.
Wow, the flowers.
So you may change the field for the coming years, and we can keep nourishing this beautiful relationship, or the small seed that you've planted here in Amsterdam. Thank you.
Thank you, Luke. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Yari? Thank you. Thank you, everybody. And we continue the ride. Yes? We got the ticket. Don't lose the ticket. Yeah? Food. Yeah, let's go together.
Joining for dinner. Yeah. I put the location in the app, but otherwise follow up.
Thank you. Amazing.